So we got us a little situation right now. We are rolling, bro. So it is 96 degrees out here in... What? Why'd the door just open? I mean, I have the key on me, but why'd the door just open by itself? That's super random. So this right here is not my car, but check the key out. It's an exact replica of the car itself. It's my friend's car. He just bought it, 2022 Tesla Model X, and what? I didn't press any buttons, but pretty much like he bought it and doesn't really like it, so he wants to sell it. And he just kind of dumped it off at my house for the time being and said, enjoy. But I personally have no interest in driving this car because I can't really get used to driving a Tesla. Exhibit A, why the door just open by itself? This here's a button. It opens a few inches and then you just gotta, I don't know. I don't get this car too well, but it's pretty cool. Also, my TRD wheels are finally getting picked up tonight, so I can finally get those out of my garage. But one cool thing about this car right here is the wing doors. So I think it's this button right here, and that back door opens up. Dude, that's pretty cool right there. So if this car will let me out of the driver's seat. Not too much of a fan of, that's so weird, of Teslas. But today seems like the perfect day to pop the doors off the Bronco and drive with the doors off because it's almost 100 degrees out today and we need something to do while we wait for the Tundra. Hopefully it's finished tonight, but worst case, tomorrow before noon. So yeah, let's get to popping off these doors. Why are these mirrors opening and closing? In this bag right here are the sleeves that we slide over the door to make it a lot easier to take the doors off and probably to make sure we don't scratch anything up too, because these guys right here are pretty thick and the door's probably kind of heavy. So let's throw this thing on really fast and then pop the bolts off and then go in doorless. Door is heavy. And just like that, the doors are off, dude. Check that out. All right, let's go for a drive. Watching the asphalt right underneath you, it's kind of weird. It's also really hot because it's like 97 degrees right now, and the asphalt's even hotter, so it's radiating heat right back into the car. AC is not helping. It's hot. A little update, it's actually 103 degrees now, which is insane, dude. It's so hot. All the heat from the asphalt makes this such a miserable experience. I thought it'd be way better with the doors off, but it's like way hotter, honestly. So the truck should be done in a couple of hours. What up? What up, sis? So we have some time to kill before the truck gets picked up. Just get a smoothie or something? It's super hot out still. We have a couple of cars to choose from. I have a feeling I know which one you're gonna pick. I mean, the Tesla would be cool too, but the doors come off this one right here, so
I say that one.
That's the move right there, I think. Although, have you ever driven in a Tesla?
No.
Today will be that day. This thing is like dumb fast. Stopping for a new car, you might want to buy a Tesla now. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
You could probably stick a little like speaker in the back of it to make some sound. So I know you're all about the noise.
I am. I really am. My Honda just pops. It's like.
We can make all kinds. We can make any sound you want out of this thing. Ready?
All right, but.
Pop, 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 pop.
Exactly.
All right, so now you've officially driven in a Tesla.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Let's go for a cruise in the doorless Bronco. No one. Smoothie sounded good, but Chipotle sounds a little bit better. What do you think?
Yeah. Chipotle is my life.
So this here is my Uber to pick up my truck. Okay. Causing a public disturbance, why don't you? These coilovers are bouncy, by the way. Moment of truth. Dang, dude, what?
What the?
Oh my goodness, dude. No way.
right, so we're here off of Westminster Boulevard in the city of Westminster, Salinas Tires. This is one of our 4 locations.
Yeah.
So
You guys have 4?
Yeah, 4 locations. So we have 2 La Habra, 1 La Puente. This is the one in Westminster.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I feel like this is probably the busiest one, right?
No, actually the one in La Habra is the biggest,
Really?
but we do the most trucks here.
Yeah,
so
most
mostly
trucks.
all suspension work we do here.
Yeah, because you guys have some like avalanches, a lifted Tahoe now.
No, yeah, we haven't lift.
Yeah, they do a lot of lift kits here, so
Yeah.
pretty experienced job. You guys were quick too.
Yeah, we knocked it out in 1 day.
You guys have done other 22 Tundras too, huh?
Yeah, we did a lot.
Today? Yesterday also?
Oh yeah, we did one today on some wheels and tires, and no, we did 2 today.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, yours and then some of them.
Yeah, so you guys already had some experience on the truck already.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right, so this lift kit was upper control arms, and then a strut spacer, and then a coil spacer back there, right?
Yeah.
And then, yeah, 3.5 in the front and 2 in the rear. It's level too.
Yeah, perfect.
It's like it's perfectly level too, so.
Really nice kit.
It looks good. Does it rub, you guys know?
I'm sorry?
Does it rub?
I should have rubbed, no. Yeah, we
Nice.
took it out.
I was pretty impressed actually, like with it, like on 35s, no lift, it barely rubbed.
No, yeah, you
As
can fit
you guys
33
know.
stock actually.
33
Yeah,
stock?
they fit 33 stock. So
Can I
on
do
11 kit, 35s fit perfect.
Can I do 37, you think though?
37s, I don't think so.
Maybe not,
It's
no.
gonna rub, but with a little bit of trimming.
With
Yeah,
trimming,
definitely.
yeah.
With a little bit of trimming, you can do it.
Yeah,
Definitely.
nice. All right, cool, dude. I'm about to go for a drive.
Oh yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, no problem.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, sure.
No,
Wait.
no, it's right there.
Yeah, because there was a web.
No. Oh man.
Mark has a new bunny with him.
No, he's not. No, he's not staying. He's not here to stay. So we got us a little situation right now. So I opened up my door, and then a black widow with like a red back to him fell into my seat, and now he's wedged in my seat. So I don't know about you, but I wouldn't drive my truck with a black widow hanging out my truck. I don't know. That's just me though. Not a fan of spiders in the first place, yet alone black widows. I am hyped right now. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. So yeah, dude, 3.5 inches of lift in the front, 2 in the rear. This thing is sitting perfectly level now, dude. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now, one thing I think we should do is remove that side step because it makes it look a little bit not as tall as it could. But yeah, we have new upper control arms right there with the RC on top, repping that rough country. Spacer lift up top right there, and a 2-inch spacer in the rear as well. I mean, dude, this kit's pretty involved. It even has some skid plates up here in the front as well. Differential drop brackets, track bar brackets. It's a very involved kit for what it is. I highly recommend it so far. We have replaced that plastic skid plate right here with these heavy duty skid plates right there and right there as well that came in the kit, which is awesome. There's all the angles right there. There you have it. Thinking maybe too, we could poke the wheels out ever so slightly more, maybe 6 mils, not much, but a little bit, because the poke was a little more aggressive when the truck had no lift on it. So we may be doing that in the future. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. I cannot get over it. So with this kit, everything for the most part is stock shocks, everything. I mean, it retains a lot of factory components aside from the upper control arms in the front, which all that does is really just correct the geometry issues we would have had with alignment. But yeah, aside from that, it's pretty much, it's all stock for the most part. So the beauty of a spacer lift kit is it retains the factory ride quality. So you don't get any like off-road performance upgrade to it. It's not really gonna help you with like articulation and the way the shocks perform, because I have the stock shocks on here, but it does help us get higher off the ground. So if we want to drive over something, then we can. Truck feels good too. I mean, I legit can't even tell there's a lift kit on this truck aside from the height difference, but it drives exactly the same. It holds the same. It doesn't like feel top heavy. It feels good. Clearance though, we have maybe 2 inches to spare in the rear, and I'd say probably 6 or 7 on the front. We are clear though, so we're good. As far as the rooftop goes, I'd say we have probably 4 or 5 inches to spare on the garage entrance. That's 7'4" pulling in, and we have a decent amount of space on the rooftop still too, so we are looking good front to back, top to bottom. That right there is pretty much all I have for you guys today though. We may be upgrading the interior a little bit sooner than we planned initially, because now seems like the appropriate time to take off the cloth seat covers, find that spider, take care of business, and then rewrap the interior in a leather. So that may be soon to come, sooner than we thought. Also, the blue wrap is coming very soon too, the matte sky blue. That right there is going to be absolutely epic. Yeah, dude, a lot of cool things to come on this truck. Recommendations on things you want to see on it, let me know in the comments below. But that right there is all I have for you guys today. As always, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.